Welcome. In front of me is an INFINIX Hot 20i, and today I'll show you how we can put this device into recovery mode. So to get started, let's hold our power key and select power off by holding it. And once the device turns off, you want to hold power and volume up at the same time. So give it a couple seconds after it turns off, just like a moment of rest. Otherwise, it might might cause some problems when you're trying to boot into recovery mode for some reason. So 10 seconds or so, it's good enough. So I'm gonna start right now. Power key and volume up, as you can see, both of them. Now, when you see the INFINIX logo, let go of the power key and keep holding volume up. This will then show you the XOS with no command, so hold power key, press volume up, and this will then redirect you to recovery mode. So there we go. That is how you access the recovery mode. Now in here, you will need to use the volume keys to navigate up and down, or well, down and up like I did. And power key will be used to confirm whatever is selected. Now quickly going over the options accessible to us right here, we have Reboot System Now, which takes us back to Android. Reboot to bootloader, which will most likely take us to fast boot mode, at least other INFINIXs do. Fast boot mode, which is the same thing in this case. Update from SD card, wipe data, mount system, view logs, run tests, and power off. So those are all the options that are accessible to us here. So I'm gonna just go back to Android by selecting Reboot System Now, confirm it, and in a moment I should be back in Android. And as you can see, we are now back in Android. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.